From dawn until the late hours of the night, Miami pulses with an energy that seems boundless. Nestled at the southern tip of Florida, this city has long been celebrated as an international party hub, drawing visitors from around the globe with its perfect blend of luxury and nightlife. From the vibrant scene of South Beach to extravagant yacht parties, Miami has something for every kind of reveler. In this video, we'll explore Miami's nightlife, a city that truly earns its reputation as an international party destination. When people ask where to find the heart of Miami's nightlife, South Beach is often the first place that comes to mind. Located on the southern end of Miami Beach, South Beach offers a nightlife experience that's nothing short of spectacular. This area is home to iconic clubs along Ocean Drive, chic beachside bars, and extravagant pool parties, all set against the backdrop of stunning Art Deco architecture with a modern retro twist. Let's start with Ocean Drive. This famous stretch is home to some of the most glamorous and lively clubs in Miami, making it a prime location for those seeking a memorable night out. One of the standout venues is the Clevelander Beach Club, a beachfront hotspot that offers the perfect party atmosphere alongside breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. Then there's Mango's Tropical Cafe, a club renowned for its vibrant, Latin-inspired ambience. With its energetic rhythms and lively performances, Mango's is a place where you can feel the pulse of Miami's multicultural vibe. Both clubs dazzle visitors with colorful neon lights and the rhythmic beats that are synonymous with Miami's nightlife. After dancing the night away at these clubs, daytime offers a different kind of indulgence. You can unwind at one of South Beach's many beachside bars or keep the party going with a poolside gathering. The unique Art Deco architecture that defines this part of Miami adds an extra layer of allure to the experience, with its pastel-colored buildings and retro modern design, creating a visually captivating environment for visitors. With its warm, welcoming atmosphere and undeniable charm, South Beach deserves its title as the epicenter of Miami's nightlife. It offers something for everyone, making it a destination that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. The blend of luxury, history, and a party vibe ensures that South Beach remains an iconic location for anyone looking to experience the best of Miami's vibrant night scene. Miami is home to some of the best nightclubs in the world, and its nightlife scene is nothing short of legendary. One of the city's most renowned venues is Scarlett's, a nightclub celebrated for its diversity and upscale atmosphere. Here, guests are treated to performances by dancers from various backgrounds, whether African American, Latina, or Caucasian, all set against a backdrop of lavish decor. Scarlett's doesn't just rely on its diverse talent. It also boasts state-of-the-art facilities like stunning LED displays and top-tier DJs, making it a must-visit for anyone seeking a world-class nightclub experience. Another iconic venue that places Miami firmly on the global nightlife map is E11 Even. Located in downtown Miami, A11 Even is more than just a nightclub. It's an institution. Open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, this club offers non-stop entertainment, no matter when you decide to visit. With dazzling spotlight shows, dance poles, and luxurious VIP areas, E11 Even promises a party experience that never quits, catering to night owls and thrill seekers from all over. But Miami's contribution to global nightlife doesn't stop at nightclubs. The city is also the proud host of one of the world's most prestigious electronic music festivals, Ultra Music Festival. Held annually, Ultra draws thousands of music lovers from every corner of the globe, making it a premier event in the international festival scene. Known for its impressive lineup, Ultra has featured some of the biggest names in electronic music, including superstars like David Guetta, Martin Garrix, and Tiesto, offering an unforgettable experience to anyone lucky enough to attend. In a city like Miami, where the night never seems to end, the combination of cutting-edge nightclubs and world-famous festivals makes it a true capital of entertainment for partygoers and music lovers alike. Beneath the glamorous parties and vibrant nightlife, Miami hides a darker side tied to drugs and alcohol. As a city synonymous with non-stop entertainment, Miami's reputation as a party destination makes it especially vulnerable to drug trafficking and substance abuse. The allure of constant celebrations often leads to increased risks, and the city grapples with one of the highest rates of alcohol and drug misuse in the state. In fact, Miami has the highest prevalence of underage drinking in Florida, with an estimated 71,000 underage drinkers. Illegal drug use is also a serious issue, contributing to numerous drug-related deaths every year. Florida, the state Miami calls home, ranks second in the entire United States for overdose fatalities, trailing only California. According to the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration, around 6.3% of Florida's population, or roughly 1.1 million people, struggle with substance use disorders. This reality has a significant impact on Miami, given the city's immense role as Florida's economic, cultural, and tourism hub. In addition to substance abuse, Miami's nightlife is also accompanied by heightened safety concerns. Data from the FBI reveals that the odds of becoming a victim of violent or property crime in Miami are 1 in 34, making its crime rate higher than 86% of cities and towns across the state. While Miami's nightlife offers excitement and indulgence, these statistics underscore the need for caution, as the city's vibrant energy can sometimes mask the risks that lurk in the shadows of its celebrated party scene. Miami's nightlife would not be what it is today without the strong influence of Latin culture. The city pulses with Latin rhythms, and salsa music sits at the heart of its musical and dance traditions. One of the most iconic venues embodying this cultural spirit is Ball and Chain in Little Havana. This historic spot has become a hub for live music, regularly featuring salsa and Latin jazz in an authentic and lively atmosphere. Little Havana, in particular, is the epicenter of Cuban culture in Miami, making it a top destination for those seeking a true Latin nightlife experience. The neighborhood's main street, Calle Ocho, is famous for its Cuban cafes, art galleries, and music venues, all of which showcase the rich heritage of Cuban and broader Latin American cultures. It's not just about the music and dancing here, though. The area's fusion restaurants have become well known for blending traditional Latin American flavors with modern culinary techniques. Dishes like ropa vieja and arroz con pollo, staples of Cuban cuisine, can be found in many Miami restaurants, especially in Little Havana, offering visitors a taste of authentic Latin fare with a modern twist. Beyond its bustling clubs and vibrant streets, Miami offers another way to experience its renowned nightlife. Aboard a luxury cruise ship, Miami's harbor is home to a fleet of cruise ships that provide guests with unique, exhilarating ways to enjoy the city's nightlife. These ships offer an array of entertainment, including live performances from professional musicians and dancers, covering genres like Latin music, jazz, and pop. But it's not just about the music. The view is equally spectacular. From the deck of a cruise ship, you can take in the sparkling city lights from the sea, a stunning sight that adds a layer of magic to any night out. For those looking to unwind, some ships even feature nighttime spa services, offering a perfect mix of relaxation and excitement. With such a variety of activities, a night aboard a Miami cruise ship promises to be an unforgettable experience. Miami's nightlife isn't just about clubs and parties. It's also infused with a rich sense of creativity and culture, especially in Wynwood, a district renowned as a hub for alternative art and entertainment. With its vibrant and colorful atmosphere, Wynwood captivates visitors with an array of murals, art galleries, and cultural events that reflect the city's artistic spirit. One of the main highlights of this district is the Wynwood Walls, an open-air art space that showcases massive murals and street art by renowned international artists. It's not just a gallery, but a cultural landmark that symbolizes Miami's embrace of creativity. Visitors are often struck by the scale and beauty of the art, making Wynwood Walls one of the most Instagrammable spots in the city. But Wynwood's appeal extends well into the night. The district boasts a lively nightlife scene with eclectic options ranging from nightclubs to bars and even live art performances. It's a place where art meets entertainment, offering a refreshing alternative to Miami's more traditional party scenes. Just a short drive from Miami lies Wilton Manors in Fort Lauderdale, home to one of the most concentrated LGBTQ+ communities in the United States. Known for its inclusive atmosphere and vibrant nightlife, Wilton Manors is filled with LGBTQ+ friendly bars, nightclubs, and entertainment venues that cater specifically to this community. Notable spots like the Pub, Hottie's Bar, and Boardwalk have become iconic hangouts where the LGBTQ+ community can express themselves freely while enjoying a fun night out. These venues are known not only for their welcoming environment, but also for hosting lively events and shows that keep the energy high well into the night. Beyond Wilton Manors, the broader Miami area is also home to one of the most anticipated annual LGBTQ+ events, Miami Beach Pride. This celebration is a bold, colorful tribute to LGBTQ+ culture, featuring parades, festivals, and spectacular performances. Miami Beach Pride draws thousands of participants each year, reinforcing the city's reputation as a welcoming and inclusive space for all. With such a variety of experiences to offer, Miami's nightlife scene caters to everyone, no matter their background or interests. Whether you're drawn to the artistic vibrancy of Wynwood or the inclusive community of Wilton Manors, Miami remains a global party destination with something for everyone. Despite its challenges, the city is undeniably a haven for partygoers and culture lovers alike, cementing its place as a nightlife capital of the world.